Okay, so I've already gone ahead and listed all the possible rational roots by listing the factors of my constant over the factors of my leading coefficient, and then I rewrote them out over each of the numbers that are on the bottom. In the problem, it's telling me that -5 is a 0, so I know that when I'm doing synthetic division, -5 is going to be a term that works and gives me a remainder of 0, so I'm going to go ahead and start with that one. When I'm doing synthetic division, I know I need to bring down the first term, multiply 2 times -5, that's -10, and then you add down. 7 plus a -10 is -3. Okay, repeat that process until you get to the end. -3 times -15, times -5 is 15. Add down. Multiply. Add down. Multiply. Okay, when I add down, this is just 0. Okay, because I have more than 2 terms here still, I need to continue to do synthetic division. Okay, I've already worked out this problem, so I know that -1 is going to be a factor that works. That'll be the next thing that I use for synthetic division. Okay, and then same process. Bring the first one down, multiply, so 2 times -1 is -2, add down. Multiply, add down. Okay, when I add down here again, I get 0. Okay, from here, you can change this to a quadratic, meaning this would be 2x squared minus 5x minus 7, and you can factor that using the AC method, or you can continue to pick possible rational roots from here in your box. Okay, and just continue to do synthetic division, which is what I'm going to do. I know that -1 is a root that's going to work again. Same thing. Keep going. Okay, now I only have 2 numbers here. So this is going to be my x term. Okay, this is my constant. Set it equal to 0. Okay, solve for x, and this is going to give you your last root. So I'm going to add 7 to both sides. That's going to give me 2x equals 7. To get x by itself, I need to divide by 2. So x is going to be 7 over 2. Okay, which was one of my possible rational roots. Not one that I would have picked to put here probably, but this is an easy way to get to it. Okay, so let's write all the roots out. -5, -1. Okay, -1 again, that's fine. That means the multiplicity is 2 instead of 1 like it was for 5. And then don't forget this last one, 7 over 2, with a multiplicity of 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and place those roots on the graph. The first one was at -5. So is that -1. And then this is 7 over 2. That's the same thing as 3.5. So place it approximately between 3 and 4. Okay, remember what these multiplicities tell you. Okay, if it's odd, it crosses through at that root. If it is even, it bounces off, similar to what a parabola would look like. The other thing that I need to know about this is my end behavior. Okay, for end behavior, look at the sign of your leading coefficient. This is a +2. Because it's positive, that means the right side is going to be going up. Okay, look at your degree. My degree is even. That means that the left side is doing the same thing that the right side did. So both of these, on the left side and the right side, they're going up. Okay, it's crossing through at -5. It's bouncing off at -1, and then it's crossing through here. Okay, so crossing through, bouncing off, crossing through. And that's what the graph is going to look like for that one.